how to print Cash App statements. To print Cash App statements based on the provided instructions, follow these steps. To view your monthly statements in-app, tap the profile icon on your Cash App home screen, select Documents, tap Account Statements, view Statement Mobile. You can also access your account statements online. Log into your Cash App account at cash.app/account. On the left, click Documents, then Account Statements. Click the drop-down arrow next to the year. Click View next to the month in question to open the statement. Click View next to the month for which you want to print the statement. Once the statement is displayed, you can use the print functionality provided by your web browser to print the statement. Select the print option in your browser. Ensure your printer is connected and properly configured to your device before attempting to print. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, you can contact Cash App support for help. This is how you can print Cash App statements.